Hi, I'm Lewis with the Fixture Flush Company, and today we'll be displaying their patented faucet repair fitting and what it does for kitchen and lavatory faucets. Now usually, a plumber would get a call for no flow, low flow, or a faucet clog. The faucet is just not working. Usually we check the hot and cold faucets. We would get just a dribble and think that it's just the aerator here. So we would take off the aerator. Usually it's hand tight. And we would check it for debris. If it's clear and you still get the same dribble on hot and cold, it means that the faucet clog is right in the spout. Previously, there was no way to clean out the spout, so you would just get a new faucet. But now the Fixture Flush has a patented faucet repair fitting. Now to use the faucet repair fitting to correct this problem, first thing we have to do is turn off the angle stops and disconnect the faucet supply lines. Angle stops are here. Hot and cold, turn them clockwise so that they're off, and you disassemble the faucet supply lines. Most tools you'll need is a crescent wrench and small channel locks. That may be it. You'll need a towel, you'll need a bucket, and maybe some additional faucet supply hoses, which will be in your Fixture Flush accessory kit. There's going to be a lot of hoses and attachments to help you do different things with back flushing and using the faucet repair fitting. So now what we're going to do here is disassemble both of these faucet supply lines. That one's pretty tight. So what we want to do, get them disassembled, we have to have a place for them to discharge. Alright. What we'll have to do, we'll take a couple of these hoses. Alright, we'll install the Fixture Flush fitting, and it goes on just like an aerator. You just twist it on counterclockwise. We'll connect the hose to the cold water angle stop. Cold water usually has a better flow rate. A lot of these faucets get clogged with rust debris from older systems, from galvanized steel like we have in California. We'll tighten this up. Be sure not to over tighten it. This is tight enough. The other end will go on to the Fixture Flush. This will also be just hand tight. We'll turn on the hot and cold faucets just so that the pressure is going through. We turn on the cold angle stop, and the cold water will go through the hose and come back through the faucet, pushing the water pressure back the opposite direction and clearing out the faucet spout. After you let the water stop, disassemble the hoses. You reassemble the original faucet supply hoses from the faucet to the angle stop. Remove the fixture flush fitting. It's counterclockwise, hand tight. Turn the volume control off to the faucet. Turn on the angle stops. Turn on the faucets, hot and cold. Turn the air out. Has a lot better flow rate now. Put the angle stop on. I'm sorry. Put the aerator back on. Hand tight. There you have it. You just saved your investor or homeowner or building apartment owner a new faucet thanks to the Fixture Flush Company and their patented faucet repair fitting.